Hey there, welcome to Stream Hyper family. So we are going to do one more video on how to host a static or a dynamic website into a cloud, and we can show the our work. Okay, so there are different types of vendors are there. So like a NETLIFY is there one, and one more is the render is there. Okay, so like that we have so many cloud services are there. AWS is there, Amazon is there, Firebase is there, like that. Okay, now we are going to be create an account with the Netlify and host our site, and we'll check. Okay, before that I want to show my site. So this is a simple index.html and index.css is there. So then I want to run this file. Right click, open it the live server. A simple basic website. This is done. So for this, uh, this is running on locally 127.0.1 5500 index.html. Okay, so this one I need to host into a one cloud server. Okay, so how to do this one? So let's close this one. I will go here. I will open the Netlify. So once I open Netlify, so if you open this official website Netlify, so before first time you have to sign up for this one. Okay, so if you have already account, you can go for the login. If not, go for the sign up. So just I want to click for the login. So it is directly redirect to the dashboard because of it is having my information in my browser. Okay, so now what happens? I want to go for the sites. So here is the site section, and if you go for the add a new site, so this is the import from the existing project, start from template or deploy manually. So initially, once you become an like a more experienced purpose, so you are using these options, no issues. Now you are going for the deploy manually. Okay. So once I have to browse the application and I have to take it. So just I want to browse this application. So then where is my folder? In the D drive, will select my folder. Okay, so here it is not going to be shown here. So what in this situation, so just go here, and this is your folder, and you have to make a zip file. Okay, you have two files, index.html, style.css. So I have zipped this file. So this file I want to drag and drop it. So I want to drop it here. So it is going to be take us some 5 seconds to upload. Once it is uploaded, it is telling that okay, this is the see all the steps are so initializing, building, deploying, a cleanup, post processing complete, everything is there. So then again I'm going with the site overview. So here it is my site link is there. If you click here, my site is live. So this link you can share to anyone or your lecturer or your friends or anything, whatever the work. So this is a simple website. So you can develop and you can host it. So this is a freely available. So but here one more thing. Let's say I want to take up one example. Like you have developed some website like uh, Bootstrap portfolio website. Okay. Let's say uh, I have designed this website. Let's assume. So I want to go for a okay. This website I have developed. Okay, so this is about yourself and the resume and what and all everything. So this one you need to host this one. So you just go through here. Okay, so then go through here and develop. Once you develop with the response and everything, so then you are going to be deploy. So the where to deploy? So here it is the again you have to go for the home page and to go for the sites, and here you can upload the file. So here you will get the uploaded files here. Okay, fine guys. So we'll come up with one more next video with the next topic.